Hello, my name is Stephen John and I'm the Director of Theater Design and Production here at Interlochen Arts Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how to focus a light. This is a really simple focus. It's a light, it's an ERC or an ellipsoidal reflector spotlight. This is the workhorse of the theater, of stage lighting. This is the light that we use the most of. So we've already hung it. It's safety cabled, it's circuited, there's obviously power, our shutters are open, but now we need to get it to its spot on the floor. So first thing I want to do, there's a couple places I need to work. This T-handle right here makes an adjustment here, and I can come down. I see a chair down there, that's going to be my focus. I'm going to actually take the instrument, I'm going to turn it just a little bit. Now, instead of just torquing this instrument and just pushing it like this, what I want to do is I want to actually make an adjustment right here to the yoke bolt. I'm wearing my gloves because this instrument's been on for a while and it's really hot, really hot. I'm gonna go ahead and say really hot because rally hot was weird. Here we go. So we've loosened it a little bit. I'm gonna get it to my hot spot and then I'm gonna tighten this guy down. That's gonna lock that down. My T-handle is locked. That's pretty good. This goes back in my pocket. Now, if I look down here, I'm actually adjusting, or I want to make some adjustments because I'm on the architecture of the theater. But the first thing I need to do is I need to make sure that my focus area is actually as sharp as possible. Using this adjustment right here, I can ride my lens out, or the barrel out, or in. And I'm gonna make sure that that's as sharp as possible. That's nice and sharp. I'm gonna lock that down, and now we're good. Now I can feel the heat coming off of this, so I wanna be careful. Again, why I'm wearing gloves. Now looking at this, because it's an ellipsoidal reflector spotlight, the image within whatever you do is actually reversed on the ground. So if I make an adjustment to the left shutter, it's actually going to make the cut on the ground on stage left, but I'm above the house. So it's on the opposite side. So by way of example, if I push this in, see how it's brought that cut in all the way to the chair. We're gonna make this special really tight on that chair. Working from the other side, I'm going to do the same. There we go. And now, because those are reversed, so are top and bottom. So I want to adjust my bottom cut, which means my top shutter. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up and really sharpen that there. Now I think that's a pretty cool look, but I probably want to bring in the top cut just a little bit, which is the bottom shutter, and I'm going to go something really dramatic like that. Make that a really fun look. That's pretty much all you need to do, except it is still a little, while it's really sharp and it's cool, it's a good effect, my designer has decided that they want some frost in here. So they could add frost or color. This is R119 or Rosco 119. It's a nice clear frost. I'm gonna put it right up in front, drop it into its spot, close the clamp. And now the light is still there, but it's softer. I didn't have to do anything. The barrel is still sharp, but the actual frost softens the image for me a little bit. It's really that simple. That's how to focus a light on a basic level. There are definitely more adjustments that can be made, but for now, 90% of what you're ever gonna do is exactly that. Thanks so much.